So to replace the seat recliner handle, it's pretty simple. All you need is a Phillips head screwdriver, stick it in there, and there's a Phillips head screw that holds this on. So go ahead and remove the screw. And with that removed, take that out, set it aside, pull the handle straight out. You can see it has two little notches here that fit into the groove. The new one is the same. So line that up, press it in all the way, put your screw in, and go ahead and tighten it up. Nice and snug. Test it out. Works just fine.